I'm Fernanda Sistos. So a raccoon walks into a bar. Actually, it was a liquor store. What happens after they catch him? What's the process moving forward with law enforcement?
What started off as a small tennis meetup has now turned into a weekly community event.
Come out every Wednesday at the Fresno State Tennis Center, but this weekend they were out in Florida.
With more than 30 people showing up to play, socialize, and stay active here in Fresno. Even me.
Fresno State softball is heading to the Mountain West Championships in a dramatic fashion.
Addie is the preseason Mountain West Player of the Year, and she had 17 kills.
Sierra Wilson scored at the last minute. What does this say about her leadership on the team?
What they have to do to keep this momentum going, especially going to this third set.
Gas prices in California are climbing up again, up nearly $1 in just the past month. Today we're going to be asking students around campus what they're listening to. He had a few drinks and then passed out drunk in the bathroom next to a toilet. Inside the cockpit of this training plane, students are preparing for a career that demands time, dedication, thousands of hours, and thousands of dollars. For high school students like Manuel Maldonado, that journey is already underway.
Right, so you see,
with this program, I'm kind of aiming to get my private pilot's license. We have 0.7 hours of flight time. You do try your best to kind of cover your costs. Once I graduate from high school, I can get the rest of my certifications.
For many aspiring pilots, the cost and training requirements can make the career hard to reach. But programs like this nonprofit are working to lower those barriers. Leading the effort is Joseph Oldman, president of New Vision Aviation.
Aviation is an industry that needs a lot of people, but the cost of entry is pretty high. We operate primarily off of grant funding. Helps us provide the money necessary to train a number of students at no cost to get their initial pilot certification.
Aviation student Bridget Maravilla sees the program as a gateway into aviation.
It gives opportunities for people who live here and for younger generations too, to have that opportunity to experience what aeronautics is.
By giving students hands-on flight experience and access to training, New Vision Aviation is turning barriers into opportunities, helping the next generation of pilots reach new heights. Reporting from the skies above Fresno, Fernanda Sistos, Fresno State Focus. Thank you for joining us, Nicholas.
Thank you for having me.
So you and your team just returned from the APP Collegiate National Championships in Florida. What I want to know is, what was that experience like competing on a national stage? A Fresno community tennis group is bringing people together in a low-cost way to stay active, but it's become much more than a game. Let me take you to the courts. As gym memberships and other activities get more expensive, community tennis is offering Fresno locals a cheaper way to stay healthy and social.
People need entry or gateway into the sport, and that's what we're trying to provide here at Roding Park. Tennis is completely free. We don't charge anybody to come out here and play. We also provide all the equipment for free. Coaching too. You don't have to go out and pay for coaching lessons.
What started off as a small tennis meetup has now turned into a weekly community event, with more than 30 people showing up to play, socialize, and stay active here in Fresno. Even me.
For many players, the group is more than just tennis. Some say it's also become a strong sense of community.
It's a super welcoming community. It's very warm. Everyone goes out of their way to make you feel included. So I love that. It's a good workout.
For Dominic Cardenas, the group gives him a consistent way to stay engaged while also providing a break from his daily routine.
It keeps me active above all else. It's available twice a week, so Tuesdays and Sundays. I already know I got this scheduled on my calendar. And then mentally, I think it's just a little bit of an escape from, sitting behind a desk all day work-wise.
As the community continues to grow, organizers hope more people will see tennis as an affordable way to stay connected and involved here in Fresno. Now, there is a Central Valley beginner-friendly tennis day this Saturday afternoon at 1, free and open for beginners. Roland, what areas or neighborhoods has the suspect moved through so far? Amazon is known for its speedy deliveries. Now, the e-commerce site is testing out ultra-fast options promising delivery times of 30 minutes or less. There is a catch, though. The test program is happening right now in Seattle and Philadelphia, and customers who want to participate will have to pay up for the super speed. It costs Prime members $4